Hi, this is Diane from Treasures from Jones with another health and wellness video. Today's video will cover 7 days of low-carb menu ideas and recipes. These ideas will help you with your goal of eating less than 50 grams of carbs per day. Here are Monday's menu ideas for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. A serving of this breakfast spinach and egg frittata has 4 grams of carbs per serving and is made with eggs, fresh spinach, onions, garlic, Parmesan cheese, and goat cheese. What lunch menu is better than a gingery, savory, and spicy Asian beef salad with 11 grams of carbs per serving? A meat pie filled with ground beef, ground pork, mustard, garlic, and other nicely spiced ingredients is yummy, easy to make, and perfect for dinner at 7 grams per serving. Here are the low-calorie, low-carb menu ideas for Tuesday. Here's your chance to have low-carb pancakes for breakfast with only 5 grams of carbs per serving and made with eggs, cream cheese, almond flour, vanilla extract, and cinnamon. If you're looking for a soup for lunch that's filling, comforting, and nutritious, you may want to give chicken and cabbage soup a try with only 4 grams of carbs per serving. Roasted pork chops with green beans is a quick and easy sheet pan dinner that can be assembled ahead of time and baked right before serving. Let's look at our weight loss low-carb menu ideas for Wednesday. Everybody loves an egg sandwich for breakfast with 2 grams of carbs per serving. This delicious, satisfying, and effortless Italian plate is a lunch menu that has only 8 grams of carbs per serving. This cabbage stir-fried dinner is a fabulous Chinese takeout menu idea made at home with only 10 grams of carbs. Here we go with Thursday's low-carb weight loss menu ideas. Bacon omelets can be a bit scary to prepare, but it's worth it to practice perfection of this quick, easy, and delicious 3-gram carb breakfast. Fresh tuna served over mixed greens with sesame vinegar dressing is a 6-gram per serving lunch favorite, cooked to medium rare, seared fast over high heat, and possibly on a grill. Ground beef tacos are a classic 12-gram of carb dinner menu idea that's easy and inexpensive to make and perfect for any day of the week. Friday menu ideas are next. This 1 gram of carb per serving baked egg avocado boat is a creamy textured power breakfast made with avocado, egg, and crispy bacon. Try a hot, hearty, easy to make chicken taco soup for lunch, which is full of the same flavors found in your favorite chicken tacos, but in soup form and loaded with juicy chicken. Eat at home or take to work. A perfect meal with only a few ingredients, salmon and broccoli, has 6 grams of carbs per serving. What's on the menu for Saturday? Perfect scrambled eggs prepared moist and not runny with no crisp or brown edges are a low-carb weight loss breakfast menu idea that has 1 gram of carbs per serving. If you're craving creamy avocados for lunch, you can make an avocado, bacon, and goat cheese salad with 6 grams of carbs per serving. A Bear Burger patty with no bun topped with creamy tomato sauce is a delicious Saturday night dinner with 1 gram of carbs per serving. Moving on, let's see what's on the menu for Sunday. This creamy coconut porridge has only 4 grams of carbs per serving. This shrimp, artichoke, and hard-boiled egg plate has 6 grams of carbs per serving. You don't have to give up pizza to stay committed to your low-carb diet. Eat a delicious and satisfying Sunday dinner with this low-carb pizza made of mozzarella cheese, egg, almond flour, and sugar-free pizza sauce. When it comes to breakfast, you may want to pick a favorite, like this bacon and kimchi deviled egg low-carb meal that you'll love and stick with making it frequently. Imagine not having to think too much about what you're going to eat for breakfast. Since breakfast is the most rushed meal of the day, keeping it as simple as possible will help ensure that you eat it. Here is another one of my favorite recipes. It's a simple and fast breakfast recipe for you to try. Broccoli and cheddar frittata. It's easy, fast, delicious, with 3 ingredients and 3 minutes in the microwave. If you're like most working people, you don't have time to go home and prepare yourself lunch at home every day. However, this is vital to the success of your weight loss plan, since finding low-carb options in the fast food places and restaurants is extremely difficult. If you don't already pack yourself a lunch, then you'll need to start doing that to stick with your diet. Packing your lunch in the morning can be hard, so something you can do is to cook extra the night before. Before you even eat dinner, pack your lunch for the next day so you won't be tempted to have seconds during dinner. Then all you'll have to do in the morning is pull your lunch out the fridge and take it with you. Before we move on to dinner tips, let's take a look at this curry-spiked tuna and avocado salad served over fresh greens or keto toast. It's easy to prepare, mixes up in only a few minutes, it's great for lunch at home, and it's perfect to take to work. For people cooking for a family, dinner can be the most difficult meal, especially if there are picky children involved. The best way to deal with picky eaters when trying to eat a low-carb diet is to make sure that you have other options available for them. Fortunately, many of these meals are easy to include some carbs so you can satisfy everybody at the table. Here is one of my all-time low-carb dinner recipes, and if you try it, I promise you it'll be one of your favorites as well. It's chicken spinach Florentine. Only 4 ingredients, fast, easy, and tasty. Make extra when you make supper at night and pack your lunch for tomorrow. Although we didn't include snacks in this meal plan, you're likely to want to include some throughout the day. Snacking in between meals can help keep you from overeating at mealtime and can also help keep you focused at work since you won't be feeling hungry. Make sure you prepare your snacks in advance so they're easy to grab and go. If you like strawberry desserts, this recipe is for you. Strawberry cheesecake fat bombs are an easy, delicious snack to make, to eat at home or at work. Nothing could be easier or more delicious. Here are some additional videos on low-carb dieting, nutrition tips, and healthy habits, as well as exercising naturally that you may enjoy. Thank you very much for watching this video today. If you found some value in this presentation, please like, comment, and tell a friend. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.